Hey guys, welcome back to the Madison Zone, the channel that does DIYs, challenges, life hacks, reviews, and tutorials. Today we're going to be reviewing a color changing squishy. When it's yellow, it means it's hot. When it's orange, it means it's cold. My hands right now are warm, so it will turn yellow. I'm going to take it outside to show you when it's fully yellow, I can touch it and it will be orange because my hands are colder than it is outside. It's 90 degrees outside and it's already turned bright yellow. It's going to turn yellow when it's really hot. I'm in the shade so you can already see it's slowly turning back to orange. Now back inside, and it's already basically the color it is. When I touch it, it turns. I'm going to put it in the freezer because it's really cold and it's going to turn a bright orange. See, it's orange as an orange. Very orange. You can see there's already yellow showing up. And that's the squishy. Thanks for watching. Check out my second channel, Matt's Game Squad. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a squishy day. Bye.